Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail, and this is an oxidized clear coat hood panel. Okay, you can tell it's all hazy, looks shiny right there. Give you guys some different angles if you look at it. Now here's the thing, the way they do this is it's called cut and buff. They'll give it a light wet sanding and then they'll polish it once, twice, and then they'll wax it afterwards and stuff. But there's a more simpler way to do this. So if you want to bring back, I mean, look how beautiful. Look how much color and shine is still there. Now, all I'm doing, I'm not waxing this. This is stuff that needs to be removed. Okay, so what we have for that is a paint cleaner. And this is called Lukat Fix Color and Gloss Restore Polisher. It's not a wax. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it right now. You want to use it with the terry cloth towel when you're applying it. This is a by hand technique. I do recommend that you do this by hand. If you want to do it by machine, give us a call. We've been getting a lot of calls. We can't always answer them. So text us and we'll answer the call when we can and stuff. And then this is a sealer wax, okay? This is not a regular wax. This is the kind of wax you want to put on afterwards because it helps preserve that beautiful, beautiful shine. Can you see the metal flake in it? You can see the clouds in it. It's amazing. Okay, so keep in mind, this is a paint cleaning method, paint restoration. It's made for cleaning. And afterwards, this is smooth and shiny again. If you like it, you can leave it like that. But now you can start waxing it with all those awesome products that are out there. Okay, so that's a quick little intro. At least I think it is. We'll go ahead and start doing the demo now. So this is just water. I'm gonna just put some on this towel. Okay, this is just microfiber towel, but look what happens when I wash. I mean, when this gets wet, look how beautiful that looks. Okay, if you have a paint job right now, a paint job on your car, and you notice that the hood, roof, and trunk look really nice only when it's wet, and then it hazes up, your clear coat is oxidizing. And something you need to understand: if you don't clean this, this will lead to erosion. You guys have all seen the paint jobs, when they're peeling and crumbling off the top. They look so ugly. If you can prevent that by simply cleaning it, this is what you want to do. Again, that looks really beautiful when I simply wet this. But here's the thing, okay? That means that the clear coat is very good. There's still a lot of good clear coat on there, and it's superficially oxidized. But that oxidation is creating all these micro cracks called striations. And those striations lead to contaminants getting in, and it's an erosion process. Now, this is our Lukat Sealer wax. You don't want to use this over that because you don't want to mask that. You want to clean that off. So this here is called the Lukat Fix It. It's not a wax. I'm going to use a terry cloth towel. You'll note that I folded it up into a little, I'm going to fold it up into squares. Excuse my stammering. I do that all the time. I was born that way. So anyways, shake it up really well. I mean, we even emphasize shake well before using. Okay, so the way this works is it's different from wax in that it's designed for cleaning and not shine. When you wax, you do the circles. Here, you're simply going to go back and forth like this. Now, I'm going to clean the same spot until it clears up. Okay, so I'm doing this in direct sunlight, and this hood panel is really hot. Okay, you want to do it in the shade, but I'm doing it for cause and effect. Okay, I want you guys to see the contrast. Now you know there's no color coming off. That's because I'm cleaning the clear coat. The clear coat is a glossy coat that they put over the actual color. So all I'm doing is cleaning and removing that buildup. Look at that. Okay, and again, you clean the same spot until it clears up. This is not a wax, it's a cleaner. Okay, so again, this is for paint jobs that have clear coats that are oxidizing on the hood, roof, and trunk. They look good when they're wet. They dry, get ugly again. That means your paint job is still good. You still have a lot of color and shine on there. Look how beautiful that came out. I'll do a close-up right now so you can see what it looks like. But I just want to get this edge. I want to give it a nice, clean, just bring it out. Now, it does take some elbow grease. I'm not rubbing hard. I'm just going back and forth. I'm letting the polish penetrate and break up the contaminants and bring out the beautiful, beautiful remaining shine. Okay, so this is not wax. This is a very important thing I'm going to point out right now. This is not wax, okay? So what I did right now, I didn't put a shine on top, I cleaned it. Listen to this. That's the sound of a squeaky clean paint job. There's no shine on top of here. Now it's good that I brought it back. I didn't put a shine on top of there. That is the original state of the paint job. That's what it's going to look like, okay? Now at this point, if you know what a sealer wax is, if you know what a polishing wax is, if you know what what we call shine and pop or dedicated shine wax for like nice paint jobs, if you know that, then you should use a type of sealer wax. This is a sealer wax. It's a simple wax. It works really, really well compared to the a lot of the stuff that's out there right now. So this is the kind of product you want to use right after you clean the paint. Okay, now this, when you put this wax on, now I'm going to do the circles. When I was doing the cleaner, I wasn't doing circles. I was going back and forth. Now you can just slap it on, you know, the old saying, wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi kind of stuff, you know. But you kind of want to massage it in gently. There's no need for a lot of elbow grease when you use this stuff. You just kind of massage it in, but make sure there's a layer of the wax on top of the paint. Now, this is designed to seal the paint, to protect it. It's just an old school carnauba blend of wax. It's real carnauba, and it works really, really well. It's just formulated so that it'll seal and protect the shine. You don't need this product anymore after you've done this, because the job of the Lukat Fix It is to remove the buildup, the oxidation, the embedded contaminants, to bring back the good remaining color. This wax will seal and protect the shine. Now, I always tell people, just leave it on there about 10-15 minutes, because the longer you leave it on, the carnauba settles and it leaves a nice glossy shell. Look at that. Wow. So I'll do a close-up right now so you guys can see. I want you to see the metal flake on all this. This is a great product for restoring an old paint job. Look at that. Wow. Sorry guys, my camera went off. It's pretty hot today. I actually love hot weather, and so it doesn't bother me, but but my camera just can't handle the heat. I'm just doing a close-up of how beautiful this paint job is. I don't know if you can see the metal flake. A lot of refraction. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, look at that. That's how the whole paint job looks. Look at that. Underneath all this oxidation, the paint is beautiful. beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Wow, look how pretty that is. Look at the metal flake on that. Oh yeah, I love that. Look at that. Golly. Okay, so anyways, the kit I always recommend is this one. It's called the R3. It has 2 cleaners in the sealer. You can order this at lukatdetail.com. We got 2 other sizes. If you have like a semi truck, you got your farmer, you got tractor equipment, you know, big stuff. We got the 32 ounce bottles too. You can get them in kits, or you can get them single or kits. The kits are a better deal. One of these waxes is like 6 of these, because remember that the sealer wax is applied here where it's nice and clean. See that? It's going to be applied there. All right, so it goes a lot further. The cleaner has no lubricants in it. It's primarily a cleaner, and it's designed to remove the oxidation. So the more oxidation you have on your paint job, whether it's a clear coat or an old single stage paint job, it'll clean it. But the more oxidation you have, the more you end up using. But this usually does a car, SUV, or a pickup truck, like the top and all that. If you want to spot treat it, we got this one right here. Okay, just make sure you use a sealer wax type afterwards. And again, for the bigger vehicles, we got those. Check us out at lukatdetail.com. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Get the word out. We don't have to be driving around with really ugly paint jobs. For those of you that got these clear coats that are peeling and crumbling, and they look horrible on the top of the paint jobs or wherever it's peeling, watch our videos on what you can do. But remember that clear coats, when they peel, when they the clear coat's peeling, they're destroyed. The best thing to do is repaint them. But you can use our products to bring back the remaining color and shine. It won't be perfect and stuff. This hood panel, this entire hood panel, once it's all cleaned up, I mean, it's gonna look nice again. Okay, so the best time to get it is early. Anytime you start seeing, earlier when I was doing the demo with the water, when you put the water on, it looks good, and then it dries up, it gets ugly again, you want to clean it. And by the way, you don't use this regularly. This is a one-time thing. You use the cleaner one time, you bring this back, it's gonna stay like this for another 10, 15 years because instead of masking it, it was cleaned. And this is gonna take, if you neglect it, another 5, 10, 15 years for it to get like that. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a great one. Take care.